Welcome to Phone Transformer, where today we are going to show you exactly how to fix blurry pictures on your Android phone to ensure your memories always look crystal clear. We will cover hardware cleaning tips and built-in software tricks to sharpen your shots. So now, let's get started. Method 1. Step 1 involves checking the front and back camera hardware of your phone to see if there is any visible dirt or smudges. Step 2 is to grab a soft cloth and clean the physical camera hardware to the best of your ability. Using a microfiber cloth is important because it removes oils without scratching the glass, which immediately improves the clarity of every photo you take. Method 2. Step 1 is to open the Gallery app on your device where all your images are stored. Step 2 requires you to select the blurry or shaking photo that you want to repair. By opening the specific image in full screen mode, you can better see the details that need adjustment and prepare the file for the sharpening process. Step 3 is to click on the edit button located at the bottom of your screen. This icon usually looks like a pencil or a set of sliders, and it unlocks the post-processing menu where you can modify the appearance of your picture. Step 4 is to click on the adjust option within the editing menu to find the manual correction tools. This section is vital because it allows you to fine-tune specific elements of the image data rather than just applying a basic generic filter. Step 5 is to select sharpness or clarity from the list of available adjustment sliders. These specific tools are designed to define the edges within a photo, which helps to counteract the soft look of a blurry or moving shot. Step 6 is to increase the sharpness level to improve the photo until the details look crisp and clear. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe to the channel for more helpful mobile tips.